Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Another video come at you. I'm on like a roll right now when it comes to uploading and pumping out the content. Cue Sam's Taylor.
Round three. Young half Chinese boy, are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
So, Amazon has some deals. I've touched on them in the past. Best Buy as well. Black Friday's today. This video should be going live the same day. And I just wanted to show you some deals going on regarding OLED technology TVs. I love talking about televisions on this channel. Hopefully I can get in touch with some of the brands that sell these 4K TVs because I love them. Big fan of 4K TVs and the software and all the features they pack into it. So we'll dive right in. And if you guys would be so kind, leave a like. Boost this video in the YouTube search algorithm. I would appreciate it a ton. Channel's growing pretty fast at the moment, so let's keep it up. OLED technology, organic LED technology, light emission, something. I forget what the M's organic light emitting. I don't know what the D stands for. Do a quick Google search. Organic light emitting diode. Yeah. So essentially, I'm not a expert on this, but I know OLED technology is essentially when each pixel is independent of one another. They can light up kind of like a binary switch in a way. Can turn on and off, completely turn off. That's why you get those like really nice contrasty deep blacks and really good whites as well. Unlike LED where it's like the whole back panel is lit. So you have like if you're trying to portray pure black, some of it's going to appear, grayish because you're going to have some light bleeding out from all the light bulbs in the back or all the lights that are lighting up the display and all the pixels. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Just come over here. LG, ladies and gentlemen, LG is one of the best OLED manufacturers out there in terms of like TV quality. And like I went on here, I went on Amazon, I was like, show me what you got, LG. And they didn't disappoint me at all because we're seeing deals that are like 20 to 28% off on all their OLED TVs. And these are their premium ones, by the way, like LG C3 class. And they're not small either. It's not like these TVs are like 30 inches or something like that. Like we're talking like 65 inches, 55, 48, 43, like in that sort of class. Like that's a sweet spot in terms of TV size, in my opinion. Once you start going past 65 inches, it's just ridiculous. And then the 4K is not going to have much of an effect anymore because like it's not going to be as pixel dense if you stretch out the display so much. That's why you see really sharp monitors because they're really small and they pack the same number of pixels in it. So and if you want my personal opinion on the OLED subject, I personally think Sony does it the best. LG second, and Samsung like doesn't really make OLEDs yet. I mean, they do, but it's like they're just starting out to make OLED TVs and really advertise them and push them on the market. But LG's been doing it for a while. Sony's been doing it for a while. Samsung's just up and coming, so I can't really compare them to Samsung too much. But the fact that you can get, if I just run through this list, like a 42-inch OLED 4K TV plus LG's software, which I haven't used it, but the videos I've seen on it and people's reviews, like they say it's very intuitive, it's very fast. They like how the remote can act as like a mouse on the TV, which is really cool. If we click on this one, it's kind of interesting how they have they're not going to let me click on these TVs. That's kind of weird. Let me just refresh. Okay, that's a little odd. I'm not even allowed to click on the TV. Oh, see all details. My brain is not working at the moment. It's day after Thanksgiving. I'm exhausted, and I'm doing my best out here. So Think AI and WebOS. So that WebOS is the name of the software. They have a bunch of AI features built in here where it can kind of tune the picture to your liking. You answer a bunch of questions. And the interface is pretty intuitive. Kind of like the apps kind of look like apps on an iPhone, in my opinion. AI Picture Wizard, All New Home, Quick Card, Multi-View, LG. Like they got all these really cool software features, which I appreciate. So we have infinite contrast. They call it infinite because every pixel can turn on and off, like I mentioned. It's kind of like the thing you can't divide by zero if it's turned off. 100% color fidelity, 100% color volume, and eye comfort display. So basically what I'm trying to get across here in this video is like 25% off on their OLED TVs with OLED technology, which looks immensely better than LED technology. It's not even close. You get the Magic Remote, you get their WebOS software, their AI features. LG TVs also have really good speakers as well. You might not even need a soundbar. 120 hertz refresh rate, which is sick. So you're gonna get that nice smooth picture. There's not going to be any choppiness. Ultra slim design, they're always like paper thin TVs. And if you want to like actually go look at this TV, you can most likely just go to your local Best Buy and they'll have it on display. They always showcase the LG OLEDs. New processor in here, Gen 6. However, take that with a grain of salt because TV processors are not the best. It's not like what you find in your smartphone. It's not as efficient. Anyone who has a smart TV out there knows what I'm talking about, how it's just sometimes laggy navigating through your software. Hopefully that's something TV manufacturers can improve on in the future. Just throw an M3 chip in TVs. I don't know. Maybe Apple will do like a deal and Apple will come out with their own smart TV. You never know. Anyway, AI picture, upscaling, filmmaker mode, picture processing, Dolby Vision, dynamic tone mapping, dimming technology, HDR. Sounds good to me. And get instant access to over 300 channels with LG channels. So that's like similar to what Google does, like Google TV has free channels. They're not the best. Obviously, it's not like you're going to get like your local like Nessun Sports or something like that on there. You have to pay for cable if you want those good channels, but it's something. It's something. All LG OLED TVs have NVIDIA G-Syncs and AMD FreeSync. Wow, that's so it's good for gaming as well. So yeah, I'm impressed. That's the gist of this video, ladies and gentlemen. So if you go to Amazon, you just search like LG OLED TVs. Look out for the LG C3 class series. And then you can also look at the B series, which is a little bit more expensive. And if you want to go to the G series, that's even more expensive. But I would look at their baseline models because honestly, OLED's OLED and it looks fantastic. So yeah, and then if you want to go even more budget, you can drop down to like their LED TVs. Those are perfectly fine as well. Like look at this one, 43 inches, only $346. That's not bad. So yeah, let me bring it back, ladies and gentlemen, to my face. TVs, really cool, really budget this year. It seems like TV prices are going down throughout the years. If anyone wants an explanation to why that is, I could make an entire video on that. But essentially, your data is more valuable than the TV itself, and that's worth a lot of money to these companies. And if they get that TV in your hand, they have access to all your data, and they can sell it without your consent.
Say it again. 21. 20.
So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, happy Black Friday. Hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Hopefully don't go too spending crazy, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Save up your money, put it in a 401k, and save for retirement. So, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Love you all. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.